Hey there, Rob Wilson here, financial advisor, wealth coach, TV contributor, and host of the March Money Madness Bracket Challenge. Now, I know you're here because you've been wanting to learn how to save and invest your money. But the problem is, traditional financial education tends to go a little something like this.
In 1930, the Republican-controlled House of Representatives, in an effort to alleviate the effects of the, anyone? The Great Depression.
Which makes you want to do absolutely anything else in the world except spend time learning how to save and invest your money. But that's exactly why I created the March Money Madness Bracket Challenge, to get you as excited about investing as Dick Vitale is about college basketball buzzer beaters.
Watford for the win! Yes! Yes! Unbelievable! Can't believe it!
Speaking of college basketball, the March Money Madness Bracket Challenge works just like filling out a bracket for the college basketball tournament. But in case you haven't played before, let me explain. For those of you that are familiar with college basketball, then you're probably familiar with the tournament that happens every year, affectionately known as March Madness. Every year, millions of people get together and they fill out brackets trying to determine and predict who's going to be the winner of each game and eventually the national champion. So what I've done is taken the March Madness bracket and turned it into the March Money Madness bracket, which means that instead of having a bracket full of basketball teams like Michigan State, West Virginia, Butler, and Duke, I've got a bracket full of stocks like Apple, Nike, McDonald's, and Verizon. Now, the game between the stocks occurs during 1 week in the real-life stock market. Whichever stock has the highest return during that week wins the game, and so on and so forth until eventually you have a national champion. So you guys can go to marchmoneymadness.com right now, sign up, play as an individual or as a group, and you can even use your Facebook login. The game works in a round-by-round format, so that means you get to make your picks before the beginning of each round rather than having to pick the entire tournament up front. So that means if all of your picks in a particular round were terrible, you get to start fresh in the next round, and because the points gradually increase, that means you're always in the game. To give yourself the best chance at winning the grand prize, you're going to want to get your picks in by 9:30 a.m. on the day that the first round starts. But because of the round-by-round format, you can continue to register for March Money Madness up until 9:30 a.m. on the day that the final round starts. Now, if you do miss some of the early rounds, you're going to have some catching up to do in order to win the grand prize. But we've added a feature this year called Win the Week, which awards a prize to the player who scores the most points in any given round. So that means no matter when you register for March Money Madness, you're always going to learn something and you're always going to be eligible for a prize. Also new this year is your ability to join the March Money Madness Insider Group, which gives you access to a 6-week Intro to Investing Bootcamp where I'll teach you everything you need to know to get confident about investing your money. That includes exclusive interviews with other investing experts, live weekly office hours where you can ask me some of your most pressing investment questions, and 15 detailed video tutorials where I teach some of your most requested investing topics. So look, if you're finally serious about learning how to invest your money and build wealth in the market, don't waste one more second. Head on over to marchmoneymadness.com, register for the bracket challenge, and if you really want to enhance your learning, sign up to become an insider. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to learn a ton. And don't forget that there are some great prizes out there for you to win as well. So head on over to marchmoneymadness.com right now, and I'll see you on the other side.